Welcome to this Unreal Engine 4 course where together we'll design and create an interactive shooting gallery game. Hi, I'm Mr. Wandra, 15-year industry veteran and a designer on the titles you see here. I've designed this course to help aspiring game designers learn how to use Unreal Engine 4, one of the most popular and widely used gaming engines today. By the end, we'll have created a full game. You'll have a showcase piece for your portfolio and, more importantly, knowledge to set up a project, build a level, work with materials, particles and sounds, script gameplay, and even make interactive menu screens. The ideal student is anyone ages 14 and up with basic computer skills and an interest to learn game design. No coding or art skills or game making experience is needed. And as an added bonus, Unreal Engine and all assets used in this course are completely free. So please join myself and thousands of other students who have said yes to learning game design with Unreal Engine 4. I can't wait to see you inside.